In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a pixel game in just 5 days. I had never actually built a full game with Unity. I recorded the entire journey, the ideas, the art, the problems, and all the tiny steps that slowly shaped the final result. The reason making this game took so long is because I wasn't familiar with Unity at first, and I designed everything myself. I know I could have used pre-made assets or downloaded stuff from the internet, but I wanted to build the whole game from the ground up. So, my idea for this simple game is basically this: a nature background like this, and this little computer is our player, he's got a gun, enemies will spawn like this, and when they get shot, they explode. I spent an hour drawing this background, and since I did it with a mouse, it's not that bad. And this is our character, a little computer called Chronopix. So, this goes inside the gun to define the shooting point. Here we have our character, and the gun is going to rotate in his hand. Let's see what happens. What the f... We'll test it again. We'll fix it. Let's try one more time. icon isn't in the right place, so we'll just put it in the center of the character. Done. Next. Here I'm making a custom game intro to show my channel instead of Unity logo. Alright, let's build intro in Unity. We need to have our own menu now. And just like that, our own menu is ready. I've got an idea. Since both the character and enemy are computers, the enemy's screen can be Windows blue screen of this. Might be a good idea. Let's do it. I think we're going to fight underground, guys. Alright, we need to fix the ground problem. So let's see if this code works. We need to improve this spawn system. Let's check the result. What? Something's not right here. Wasn't stopping? Bro, wait a minute. Here I'm creating the blue screen video that will appear when the player dies. To prevent the player from leaving the screen, we block it with two objects like this. Now the player can't go off the screen anymore. We should also have a scoring system. So it shows the in-game score and displays the highest score in the menu. And I added the text for when a reload is needed. And now, the enemies need an explosion effect. Well, the game structure is basically done. The only thing left is fixing the bugs and improving the visuals. The menu looks really bad and needs an update. I decided to change the font of Chronopix and improve the quality of the buttons. And now, it looks much better. The background also needs to be changed, so it feels more engaging. This is what it was and this is what it became. Now it feels much better for the player. The game's development is finished. Now it's time to destroy this computer's nightmare, the blue screens. And if we lose, we get the blue screen ourselves. You can also try the game. I put the link in the description below. And let me know what your highest score was.